Hey everyone, welcome to the Gourmet Studio. Today we are going to prepare one of the most popular pasta dishes, penne pasta in white sauce, and that too in less than 15 minutes. So let's gear up and get ready to dive into this delicious journey. To begin with, we'll go through the list of ingredients required. 1 cup of penne pasta, 5 to 7 finely chopped garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup sliced mushrooms, 1 cup of sliced bell peppers, half a cup of sliced boneless chicken, which is optional, salt and pepper to taste, 4 to 5 basil leaves, 200 ml cream, and any Italian seasoning you prefer. Let the cooking begin. Heat a saucepan, keep the flame to a low and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Moving ahead, let's add in around 2 tablespoons of butter. You can use salted or unsalted butter. Once the butter melts and starts to bubble, add some finely chopped garlic. Let it cook for a minute or so. Add the chicken and mix well. Once the chicken is cooked, add in some seasonings. Now add in the mushrooms. Stir, stir, stir. Now let's add in some salt and black pepper powder as per taste. Let the chicken and mushroom cook for around 5 minutes and then add the bell peppers to avoid overcooking of the veggies. Mix well, followed by adding the pre-boiled pasta. Each pasta brand has its own cooking instructions. Please refer to those for boiling the pasta. Stir, stir, stir. Now you can add in the 2 cubes of cheese. Let's add the cream. And mix all these well until the melted cheese blends with the cream. Doesn't it look amazing? Taste the pasta and add in salt and black pepper if required. Mix well again. Serve white sauce pasta and top it off with olive oil. So amazing. You can also garnish with some fresh herbs if you like. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Gourmet Studio. Until next time.